exact sound as hell as last year. This is Curracloe Hotel. Jesus, that idea is actually starting to flash in real life. Fire alarm test every Tuesday. It's coronavirus. It started to flash in real life. Nice, it's serviced by Schindler. I was kind of expecting this to be modded. Here we are going back up. It's about 9 PM and that has started to flash in real life. Shows how bad these drugs are. I'm only going to 1. I'm trying to keep this as straight as possible, but it's shaky. It got a bit worse since last year. The sensor keeps going on and off. And now will be an nanometer test. Come up. Ooh. Doesn't seem healthy, doesn't feel healthy certainly. Oh. No light to this. Come on, light up. Whatever, come on. Oh, focus for goodness sake. Seems to be brighter than last year. A mirror there, which I'm not going to show. Never mind. Sorry if the camera is shaky in this clip. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Oh, focus for goodness sake. Schindler. Oh. Jesus. Love when it does this. Trying to do this one-handed again. Sorry if it's a bit blurry. Or not blurry, what am I calling it? Shaky. That's the word I'm looking for. Why did the car flash? I'm not going to indicate, it's a bit weird. Final ride to Lite. I am absolutely exhausted and it's about 11 PM. I'm only going to go as far as 1. I'm having loads of fun. did not know notifications could come in while I was recording. You know, I didn't know notifications could come in while I'm recording. Guess you learn something new every day. I might have mentioned this before, but that indicator is starting to flash in real life. I don't know if I mentioned it already. Probably have, knowing me. That'll be for now. This is on the Wednesday, the 20th. The 15th. Okay. And file some of the bulbs. Well, some of the bulbs don't work, like number one doesn't work. I don't think so. You have to like get the light to work, to get the button to work. It's a bit weird. I don't know why. Weekly alarm test apparently. Oh, but open. Hydraulic. As usual, hydraulic. 8 persons apparently. Oh, good one too. I don't see this apparently. Bends the lift again. Here's just a quick view from room 106. Don't want to stand here for too long, there's someone on the balcony. And there's a great view of Curracloe and the roof of Hotel Curracloe. And that will be it for this video.